Tired of manually entering every single receipt into Expensify? You're not alone. Let's be honest, it's tedious, time-consuming, and frankly, a bit soul-crushing. But fear not, fellow expense warriors, because today we're diving deep into the magical world of bulk uploading receipts to Expensify. We'll explore the different methods, troubleshoot common pitfalls, and ultimately save you precious time and sanity. Expensify, for those unfamiliar, is a popular expense management platform used by individuals and businesses to track and reimburse expenses. It streamlines the process by allowing users to capture receipts with their phone camera, submit expense reports electronically, and integrate with accounting software. While Expensify offers a mobile app and a web interface, the real time saver lies in its bulk upload capabilities. Method 1. Email receipts to Expensify. One of the simplest ways to bulk upload receipts is by forwarding them directly to Expensify's designated email address. Expensify's AI will automatically process the receipts, extract relevant information like date, vendor, and amount, and create expense reports for you. This method works seamlessly for receipts sent as attachments or even embedded in emails. Just make sure you're forwarding receipts from the email address associated with your Expensify account. Method 2. Use the Expensify mobile app. The Expensify mobile app offers a convenient way to upload multiple receipts at once. Simply select the import option within the app and choose the source of your receipts. You can import photos from your device's camera roll, select multiple images from your gallery, or even import receipts from other cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive. The app's OCR technology will then work its magic to extract the necessary data. Method 3. Use the Expensify web app. If you prefer working on your computer, the Expensify web app provides robust bulk upload features. You can drag and drop multiple receipts directly into the upload area, or use the import function to select files from your local drive or cloud storage. The web app also supports various file formats, including PDFs, JPGs, and PNGs, making it highly versatile. Now, let's address some common hurdles you might encounter during bulk uploads. Poor image quality. Ensure your receipts are clear and well lit. Blurry or low-resolution images can hinder accurate data extraction. Multiple receipts in a single image. If you have multiple receipts on a single page, try to separate them before uploading. Data extraction errors. Occasionally, Expensify's AI might misinterpret certain data fields. Double-check the extracted information and make necessary corrections. Don't worry, Expensify provides tools to review and edit extracted data before submitting your expense reports. Create a consistent filing system, organize your receipts in a logical manner before uploading to streamline the process. Use a high-quality scanner. If you have a scanner, it can produce higher quality images than most phone cameras. Take advantage of Expensify's integrations. Connect Expensify with your company's accounting software to automate expense reporting and reconciliation. With these tips and tricks, you'll be a bulk upload pro in no time. By embracing Expensify's powerful features, you can reclaim your time and say goodbye to the drudgery of manual expense entry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.